In my opinion, in the last 3 decades, Indian healthcare has gone great transformation for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of the people. This was unimaginable in the 1980s. Now we're really almost on par with the best hospitals in the world in terms of giving the quality treatment to our patients in the most safest environment with minimal risk. But if he has to come to the hospital, he expects the hospital to provide him the safest of the environment. It starts from, apart from the medical aspect, it starts from the building safety, whether the building is safe, whether the equipments are safe, whether we are fireproof, whether the food which we are giving them are safe, whether the technicians working are ethical, moral, whether they are in a very safe environment. Medically speaking, then we have the consultants who are very qualified. We make sure that they have enough number of experience, they are adequately qualified to look after our patients. Then we have the nurses who are also constantly on training, almost on a daily training. The nurses, we observe them, we audit them. Then also the laboratory tests, which are very important for a diagnosis. Even the laboratories are checked almost every time for whether they give quality results to the patients, so that the doctors can make the diagnosis and correct time, and then they can give the correct treatment. Taking the leadership in the healthcare very rightly, because that deserves to be the leader in the healthcare. So the Apollo should be a benchmark for the other hospitals, because there are so many other hospitals, private health corporations have come into the country after Apollo has come in, and then we need many more to come, because the requirement of the number of beds for the Indian population, for the number of medical staff is really not at all adequate as of now. So that way Apollo is very happy that it's holding these kind of conferences, so that even the doctors and other professionals from other healthcare industry come to this forum, and all of us share our experience, so that we evolve even a better system, so that the patients, ultimately the benefit goes to the patients and the society.